Bonjour and welcome to an introduction to Ojibwe Volume 5. Last time we went over some basic nouns, thing words. Today I would like to cover the basics of verbs, action words. There are 4 types of verbs in Ojibwe. These are denoted as inanimate intransitive VII, animate intransitive VAI, inanimate transitive VTI, and animate transitive VTA. The animacy of the verb refers to the thing being talked about, whether it be a person, the weather, or any other thing you can describe with an action. Intransitive verbs are either simple statements of doing or being, while transitive verbs show some transference of action from one object to another. We've already gone over some intransitive inanimate verbs earlier. Let's review those now. They were Minogigajeb, it is a good morning. Minogijigud, it is a good day. Minodibikud, it is a good night. All of these examples are the VII class. I will give 2 more examples now. Give me one. It is raining. Ge. Me. 1. Ge. Me. 1. Ge. Me. 1. Give me one. Micha, it is big. Me. Cha. Me. Cha. Me. Cha. Mecha. Now I will provide 5 examples of VAIs, or animate intransitive verbs. These I will provide in the third person or he, she, is form. Bimose, he or she is walking. Be. Mo. Se. Be. Mo. Se. Be. Mo. Se. Bimose. Jibakwe, he or she is cooking. Ji. Ba. Kwe. Ji. Ba. Kwe. Ji. Ba. Kwe. Ji ba kwe. Niba, he or she is sleeping. Ni. Ba. Ni. Ba. Ni. Ba. Niba. Bi-ija, he or she is coming. Bi. It. Ja. Bi. It. Ja. Bi. It. Ja. Bi-ija. Ma-ja, he or she is leaving. Ma. Ja. Ma. Ja. Ma. Ja. Ma. Ja. For the examples of the VTIs, I'm going to use the command form. I do this for simplicity. You will understand once we get further into conjugation. But for now, let's look at 5 inanimate transitive verbs. Abajitun. Use it. A. Ba. J. Tune. A. Ba. J. Tune. A. Ba. J. Tune. Abajitun. A tune. Set it down. A. Tune. A. Tune. tune, a tune, a tune. Gonna wabandun, look at it. G, na, wa, bun, dun. G, na, wa, bun, dun. G, na, wa, bun, dun. Gonna wabandun. Mamoon, take it. Ma, moon. Ma, moon. Ma, moon. Mamoon. Noddin, fetch it. Na, din. Na, din. Na, din. Noddin. And now, 5 examples of transitive animate verbs. Meej, give it to him or her. Meej. 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 Gonna wob 'em, look at or watch him or her. G, na, wa, bum. G, na, wa, bum. G, na, wa, bum. Gonna wob 'em. Naj, go get or fetch him or her. Naj. 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 Bisindal, listen to him or her. Bi, zin, dao. Bi, zin, dao. Bi, zin, dao. Bisindal. Bu-ni, leave him or her alone. Bu-ni. 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 That should give you a taste of verbs. I know it may seem like a lot, but just take your time and keep plugging away at it, and you'll start to get the hang of it. And, as promised, here are some new nouns to work on as well. Odaban. This noun is an example of a word that some consider animate, while others consider inanimate. For the purpose of these lessons, we will consider a car animate, N-A. O-da-ban. 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 Odaban. Mi kana. Mi ka na. Mi ka na. Mi ka na. Mi kana. Next time, on Introduction to Ojibwe Moan, we will discuss me, mine, you, yours, him, her, his, hers, us, our, them, and theirs. I promise, once we get through this stuff, we can start to look at some fun things to do with the language. Here again are all the words we've covered today. We reviewed Minogigajeb, Minogijigud, and Minodibikud. Then we learned, give me one, Micha, Bimose, Jibakwe, Niba, Bi-ija, Ma-ja, Abajitun, Atun, Ganawabandan, Mamoon, Nadin, Mij, Ganawabam, Naj, Bizendal, Buni, Odaban, and Mikina. That will do it for today. So until next time, do your best, don't stress, and above all, have fun. Gigawabaman Nagaj.